Hello and welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to disable automatically updates in Windows. The only thing that you guys want to know is that by making this can let your system open for some security risk, because you are not going to have the latest security patch that Microsoft does. So this is up to you if you want to do this. With the warning out of the way, don't forget to drop a like into the video if you find it useful and to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials like this one. Let's begin. You want to go into the search bar, and inside of here you want to type services. You are going to find yourself with the services app. Right click into it and select run as administrator. On the service window, scroll down and find the Windows Update service. Now right click into the Windows Update service and select properties. In the properties window, under the general tab, you're going to find the submenu with startup type. You want to change this from manual to disable. Then you want to click into apply and to OK to close this window. And that is it. Now you have completely disabled Windows automatic updates in your PC. Thanks for watching, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe and all of that. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.